Welcome to this WordJack video on how to grant WordJack access to manage your Facebook ads account. WordJack will need permission to access your account in order to create and manage campaign ads for you. To begin, make sure you're in front of a desktop computer or a laptop. This process will look completely different on a mobile phone. Log in using the account you use when managing your Facebook ads. Then go to the address bar and replace www.facebook.com with business.facebook.com and hit enter. There are three possibilities here, and we'll run through them quickly. Option 1. You may see a screen that looks like this, which has one or multiple businesses. Click on your business, and then find Business Settings, and click through. Then click Add Accounts on the left. If you see an ad account in the middle section, then you're in the right place. Option 2. If you went to business.facebook.com and your screen looks like this, check that you have the correct business name chosen on the left, and then go to More Tools and find the option for Business Settings. Click on your business. If you see this screen, click on Add Accounts on the left, and if you see an ad account in the middle frame, you're in the right place. Option 3. If you visit business.facebook.com and you only see options to create a new account, then you may be logged in using the wrong Facebook login, or you may not have an active Facebook ads account. In this case, please check out our other video on how to create a new ads account. If you've made it to this screen and found your ad account in the middle section, go back to the left menu and click on Partners, which is beneath Users. Then select the option to add a new partner. And now you can paste in the partner business ID provided by your WordJack Web Marketing Manager. Once pasted in, click Next. Now you'll assign the assets to WordJack Media by clicking on Add Accounts on the left. Click the Add Account and turn on all of these access permissions on the right, and click Save Changes. Here is your confirmation that WordJack Media has been added. Take note of the exact name of your ads account and provide that to your WordJack Web Marketing Manager as confirmation that you have completed the process, so WordJack can now start managing your ad campaigns for you. As a final step, you should make sure that your Facebook ads account has an active billing method with a valid and up-to-date credit card or PayPal payment method attached. To do that, go to, under this Business Settings section, under Accounts and Ad Accounts, select your ad account, and scrolling all the way over to the right, you'll find the option to view payment methods in this Open in Ads Manager dropdown. Simply click Add Payment Method here. Fill in your location and currency appropriately, and make sure this is correct as it is difficult to change later. Next, you have the option to add any tax info you might have. And finally, here is where you'll add your credit card or PayPal method. From here, WordJack will be able to manage your campaign, and your valid credit card or PayPal account will be charged. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact your WordJack Web Marketing Manager.